In this construction, we have drawn a circle C with center A and a circle C dash with center B. And AS and AR are two tangents drawn from the center A of the circle C to the circle C dash. So A is an external point for circle C dash. So from an external point A, two tangents AS and AR are drawn to C dash. Similarly, BP and BQ. B is an external point for the circle C. BP and BQ are the two tangents drawn from the point B, external point B to the circle, and B is center of the circle C dash. So AS and AR are tangent from the center A of the circle C to the circle C dash, and BP and BQ are the two tangents from the center B of the circle C dash to the circle C. So let us see how these two tangents from an external point are drawn. Now the problem is, draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm, and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm, and construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So A and B are the centers of the other circle. So from A and B we have to draw tangents. So for this, according to question, draw a line segment of AB of length 8 cm. So we have drawn AB of length 8 cm. Now question says, taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. So with A as center and radius 4 cm, draw a circle. Name it as C. So put your compass, needle of the compass on A, that is the center, and open the radius 4 cm and draw a circle. So circle is drawn with center A, and the name of the circle is C. Similarly, with center B, a circle is drawn of radius 3 cm. So AB is 8 cm. So with A as center, we have drawn a circle of radius 4 cm, and with B, a circle of radius 3 cm is drawn. Now we have to draw tangents from A to circle C dash and from B to circle C. For this, we have to perpendicularly bisect AB. So perpendicular bisector is a line which bisects the line segment. So with center A and radius equal to more than half of AB, draw an arc above the line AB. And with B as center and same radius, draw another arc, and both arcs intersect at one point. Name the point, mark it as any point you can take. Here we have taken point as X. Similarly, with A as center and same radius, draw another arc below the line AB, and with B as center, draw arc to intersect the previous arc at some point, mark it as Y. And here we have to take radius, it should be more than half of AB, otherwise it won't intersect. Mark it as Y, and now join XY. XY is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. So perpendicular bisector is the line which bisects the line segment AB perpendicularly. So it intersects, XY is the perpendicular bisector line, and it intersects the line segment AB at some point. That point is M, and M is the midpoint. Now taking M as center and radius MA, draw a circle. So MA and MB, because M is the midpoint, so it must pass through. This circle must passes through B and A. So draw a circle. This circle intersects at 2 points. This circle intersects C circle at 2 points. Name the 2 points. And this circle also intersects C dash at 2 points. So name it P and Q. And at C dash, this circle intersects at 2 points. Name it R and S. So we have got 2 points. Now for getting the tangents, we have to join AS and AR. AS and AR are the tangents from the point A to the circle C dash. So A is an external point, and AS and AR are tangents from external point A to the circle C dash. Similarly, join BP and BQ. B is an external point for circle C. So BP and BQ are two tangents drawn from an external point B to the circle C, and that external point is the center of the other circle, that is C dash. And A, from where AS and AR are drawn, this is also the center of the circle C. So from A we have drawn two tangents, AS and AR, and from point B we have drawn BP and BQ, two tangents. A is the center of circle C, B is the center of circle C dash. From A, two tangents are drawn, AS and AR, to the smaller circle, and from point B, which is center of the smaller circle, tangents are drawn to the bigger circle, that is C. So how we have drawn AB? AB is a line segment, and with A circle is drawn. It is having radius 4 cm, and from B a circle is drawn. It is having radius 3 cm. Then AB we have perpendicularly bisected. Perpendicular bisector is a line segment which intersects line segment at midpoint. So M is the midpoint of AB. It bisects line segment. So XY is the perpendicular bisector of a line segment, and then with M as center, MA as radius, we have drawn a circle. Now join AP. When we join AP, we see AB is a diameter of this circle, because with M as center and MA as radius, we have drawn a circle which passes through A and B. So see the orange circle. For this orange circle, AB is the diameter. So AB is the diameter, so APB is an angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So this is a right angle. Now see, AP is the radius of this C circle. AP is the radius of the C circle, and it is perpendicular to BP. AP is perpendicular to a line segment BP. So BP is tangent to the point of contact B. BP is a tangent to the point of contact B. So we have seen that BP is a tangent. Now similarly, join AQ. So this is also diameter AB, and this is semicircle AQRB. So this is also 90 degree. So this is radius AQ, radius of circle C, and BQ is a line segment, and both are perpendicular, and Q is on the circle. So AQ and QB perpendicular, and Q is on the circle. So QB is a tangent. So we have seen that BP and BQ are tangents. Now see APB. In APB circle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. AB square hypotenuse square equals sum of squares of other two sides, that is AP square plus BP square. AP square plus BP square. AB square we don't know. AB square is the diameter of this circle, and AB is 8 cm, so this is 8 cm. So 8 square. AP is the radius of C. So AP you can put the value AP, then BP we can calculate. So BP is, with that BP is 4 root 3. So in this right angle triangle, AB we know 8, AP we know, AB we can write it as 8, and AP is 4. So we have calculated BP as 4 root 3. Similarly, in this right angle triangle, we can calculate BQ. So both BP and BQ are equal, and BP and BQ are tangents. Now see, for this C dash circle, AS and AR are tangents. Now for this we can join BS. So in this, see here, in this ABS, this is 90 degree because this is also angle in the semicircle, because this is circle, AB is the diameter and ABS is a point on the circle. So ABS is an angle in a semicircle. So this angle is 90 degree. So similarly we can calculate in this ABS right angle triangle, AB square equal AS square plus BS square. Pythagoras theorem you just apply. When we apply, AB is 8 and BS, as you know, the radius is 3. So we can calculate. So when we calculate, AS is root 5. AB square plus BS square plus AS square we don't know. With this, AS is root 55. Similarly, we can join BR and we see BR is also root 55. So we see from a point two tangents can be drawn, AS and AR, and both are having equal lengths, that is 4 root 3 centimeter. And with BS center, two tangents are drawn, BP and BQ, and that 4 root 3, both are equal in length. So a pair of tangents can be drawn from an external point outside the circle, and these two tangents are equal in length. So for this C dash circle, A is a point outside the circle, and from A tangents are drawn. And for this C circle, B is a point outside the circle, and two tangents BP and BQ are drawn.